This is Emhape Tech with new video. Samsung's Galaxy Tab S series has yet to get the Infinity display treatment, so could we see a new model unveiled at MWC 2018? We outline the Galaxy Tab S4 anticipated launch date, price and specifications. According to a post on X, developers, the Galaxy Tab S4 is definitely planned and will likely come with Android Oreo. It says it found references to a GTS 4 in the framework Rees pulled from a leaked beta build of Android 8.0 for the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. We're almost certain Samsung will apply its Infinity display treatment to its premium tablet line sometime this year. However, due to the distinct lack of rumors on a Tab S4, and the fact its previous announcements have been every 18 months rather than once per year, we don't think we'll see a Tab S4 at MWC 2018. If 2018 is a much more likely time for the Tab S4 unveiling, which would mean we'd see a September 2018 unveiling and probably October 2018 on sale. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S3 is not cheap at $850, and we don't think the premium tablet will get any cheaper in its next generation. If anything, it will become more expensive, and we could see an RRP more in line with that of its S series, $973. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. See you in next video. The most likely candidate for a new feature in Samsung's next premium tablet is an Infinity display with support for HDR. Introduced on the Samsung Galaxy S8 and Note 8 in 2017, and extended to the A series in 2018 with the Galaxy A8, the Tab S4 is surely next in line to get the feature. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. See you in next video.